Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Firdaus Hakim bin Nuzwira, and today I would like to give a speech on a very hot and controversial topic, which is marijuana should be legalized for medicinal purposes in Malaysia. Ladies and gentlemen, when we hear the words marijuana, weed or cannabis, the first thing that we always thought is that it is a dangerous and harmful narcotic substance that we have been taught to avoid at all costs. Moreover, we also learned that if someone were detected carrying those substances, he or she would face severe punishments. Under Malaysian law, convicted drug traffickers must face death penalty if they use cannabis recreationally, and individuals arrested with 200 grams or 7 ounces of marijuana are deemed to be drug traffickers under the law. So with this information and discouragements that people get, they absolutely have a negative perception towards marijuana. Well, from one side, we can see all the dangers and potential threats that could arise from the usage of marijuana. But have you ever thought that despite its negative aspects, marijuana actually offers its own benefit to humanity? Have you ever considered that numerous benefits that we might derive from the use of this naturally developed substance, especially in the healthcare sector? So today, I would like to tell you why Malaysia should legalize the inclusion of marijuana, or sometimes known as weed or cannabis, as one of the country's primary measures for improving medical care. And therefore, the scope of this speech will mainly be focusing on the medical care aspect. With that, I'll begin by telling you about what exactly the marijuana is. Ladies and gentlemen, cannabis, or sometimes referred as to marijuana, is a psychoactive substance derived from the cannabis plant. The cannabis plant is a unique and complex being. According to a study in 2012, there are more than 400 distinct chemical compounds present in cannabis and medical marijuana. The cannabis plant, which is native to Central and South Asia, has long been used as a recreational and entheogenic drug, as well as in numerous traditional remedies. Cannabis can be used in a variety of ways, including smoking, vaporizing, cooking with it, and extracting it. So you might be wondering, why did I say marijuana may provide various benefits to people, particularly in the medical field? Let me justify my statement. First and foremost, marijuana has been identified in many studies to possess substances that are beneficial for medical treatment. A review conducted from the National Academy of Science, Engineering and Medicine has found that marijuana actually can be used to relieve chronic pain. This is because marijuana contains hundreds of chemical components, many of which are cannabinoids. And because its chemical nature, cannabinoids have been linked to delivering relief from chronic pain. As a result, cannabis byproducts like medicinal marijuana are frequently utilized to treat chronic pain, such as cancer pain, neuropathy or nerve pain, chronic migraines, arthritis, etc. Not to mention, marijuana also can be used to decrease the adverse effects of hepatitis C treatment. For your information, hepatitis C treatment involves several adverse effects, including nausea, exhaustion, melancholy, and muscle aches. And for some hepatitis C patients, these symptoms can continue for months. And therefore, the use of marijuana not only can reduce those effects, but improve the effectiveness of the treatment as well. I'm sure some of you are scratching your heads wondering how a drug like marijuana, which is widely seen as dangerous and toxic, can actually deliver such significant health benefits. Hold on, let me continue my speech. Second of all, marijuana also can be used to treat a few symptoms of mental illness such as depression, post-traumatic stress disorder, and social anxiety. Ladies and gentlemen, depression is relatively common and most individuals are unaware that they have it. A study from neuropsychopharmacology found that there is a component called cannabidiol or CBD within marijuana that can assist to stabilize our mood, which can aid to relieve depression. Besides, marijuana is also known to help people relax and control their emotions. Furthermore, CBD also has been tested to alleviate anxiety-related nausea, palpitations, as well as sleeplessness. This component also maybe helps in lowering our fear, uneasiness, paranoia, trembling, twitching muscles, and those symptoms that are related to anxiety. So, there you go. Apart from the fact that marijuana is said to be harmful to one's mental health, research has shown that marijuana is actually beneficial in the treatment of mental illness. Only if we are using in a correct and appropriate way. So, ladies and gentlemen, now let's take a look at what are the other benefits that we can derive from marijuana. In small cases, marijuana can help in weight loss. Well, if you take a glance around, you will see that most of the marijuana users are actually not overweight. So the possible reason for this scenario is because marijuana has been linked to helping your body to regulate insulin while managing calorie intake. But of course, the consumption must be carefully monitored. Other than help losing weight, marijuana also has been discovered as one of the solutions to regulate and prevent diabetes. It is only natural that cannabis can help regulate and prevent diabetes because its effect on the insulin. According to the research undertaken by the American Alliance for Medical Cannabis or AAMC, marijuana or cannabis has been related to blood sugar stabilization, decrease blood pressure, as well as improve our blood circulation. So, as you can see, marijuana has a lot of advantages, whether it's for physical or mental health. So in my opinion, it will be a great loss if we do not take steps to maximize on its benefits in improving our healthcare industry. I believe that the Malaysian Health Authority should approve the inclusion of marijuana as one of the key strategies for improving medical care in the country. I'm sure we all want our country to be one of the world's greatest healthcare providers, right? Therefore, will you join me in advocating for the legalization of marijuana for medicinal purposes in Malaysia? With that, thank you very much.